So over here, I am in the quick editing mode and I have a picture opened up. So now what you can do is you can work around with the lighting adjustments to change around the contrast of the picture that you see right here. So let me just go around and click on lighting, and over here what this allows you to do is control out shadows, midtones and highlights right here. So if I were to go around onto shadows, then this only affects the darker parts of the photos, that is the image right here. So this is the dark part, and as I change this out, only the brightness of those dark parts actually change out. You can also use the slider right here, and then the darker parts, as you can see, gets affected right here and they become brighter. You can go around onto the midtones, and that only affects around the middle areas, the gray areas of the picture, allowing you to adjust those to be a bit darker or brighter according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and increase, let's say, I'll decrease the brightness of the midtones right here, just like this, and that is what you have. You can go around onto highlight, and that only affects the bright part of the picture. So if I were to go around and increase this out, you can see that it brings down the brightness level right here. So it affects the areas which are very, very light, and then it brings down the brightness of those areas right here when you use the highlights option. So that ensures that you have a balanced picture. You can also go around, use auto levels right here and auto contrast to make sure that it is make sure that Photoshop analyzes out the picture and adjusts out the levels accordingly. You can go around over here, and then you can see that you can auto align the levels, the contrast right here, as you can see on the, let's say for example over here, you can go around and auto contrast it, click on it right here, so that it adjusts out the color and adjusts out the shadows and highlights and whatever right here automatically as well. So that is how you can make lighting adjustments to photos opened up in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.